Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Every organization, by its name and nature, has different functions. There's finance, marketing, sales, IT, HR, operations, engineering, to name just a few. And within those functions, especially in larger organizations, there's sub-functions. So, marketing might be domestic and export. You might split IT into infrastructure and DevOps. Finance will have both management and financial accounting. Operations could refer to the multitude of different locations in which you conduct business. People who inhabit each of those functions and sub-functions have usually pursued some education in the given domain and bring a set of theories, methods and tools for problem solving in their field. Add to this cauldron of the differences the levels of work from executives to managers, supervisors to operators. Each group across functions, sub-functions, expertise and organizational levels has their own mental models of how everything works, what needs fixing, what they can bring to bear to make the improvements. Throw in the usual problem of misaligned KPIs and people will focus their attention where they feel they can favorably affect the outcomes from their area of accountability. If everyone's optimizing their patch, no one makes the trade-off calls that deliver what's best for the business. All these factors contribute to a silo mentality and the disintegration of order. Any idiot can break systems down into ever smaller parts. It takes real genius to integrate all of the parts into a coherent whole, capable of thwarting any threat and seizing every opportunity. To bring to fruition the scale of opportunity available to us, we must focus our energy and intellect on mastering thinking from and for the system as a whole. How are you doing that today? To learn more about my practical course for systems thinkers, click the link in the comments below.